Today we're going to talk about installing the T-bar onto your trailer. The first thing you want to do is take the weight off the trailer either by hooking it to your truck or a jack stand underneath. Then you want to make sure this is as far forward as possible. So you slide this forward by loosening these 4 U-bolts. Okay, in the kit, it comes in 3 pieces in your hardware kit. And the first thing you want to do is assemble the T-handle to the end of the shaft with this 1032 bolt. And you want to tighten that up pretty snug so there's no play in the handle. 1/4 inch wrench on the other side. Now you're going to put the other shaft together. Now this shaft will telescope in and out, like so. The closed position will be, obviously way down here if we want it in the extended position. Put the pit pin in, like that. Okay. You can do it just like that. I already have this nut loose, so you're going to take off the old bolt and the wheel. You take the new longer bolt and the bar, and you want to make sure that this is facing forward, not down that way. Before you install the bar, you want to make sure that it fits nicely in between the clevis. If by chance it's a little bit too tight, these can be spread very easily in a vise. So once you know that you got a good fit there, you can have somebody help you, but if you don't have an extra pair of hands, it's not that bad. And it's a nylock nut, so you're not going to tighten it all the way. You want to make sure that wheel always spins free. I'm cheating with an impact gun here, but you can use a couple of 3/4 wrenches. Just like that. All right, so now you're done with the installation. You want to make sure the nut is on the inside, like that. You're going to pull a pin, and you're going to telescope it down, put the pin back in, like that, swing it around, and swing your jack up. Now, the only thing you have left to do is a little L bracket, so when you're driving, it doesn't do that. 2 self-tapping screws. I drilled a couple of holes already, but you don't have to, if you especially have an aluminum trailer, because these screws will self-tap. So this is the way you're going to trailer it in this position. When you're getting ready to unhook the boat from the trailer, you want to use the jack. You pull the release, swing the jack down, swing it around, pull the pin, slide it up, your second hole, and you're ready to go.